Okay, let's go today for a demo with OKE Serverless with a new feature, virtual node cycling, a simple way to keep Kubernetes infrastructure up to date. As usual, I'm going to use a UI to show you the demo. This UI is using an autonomous DB here, and I store data as JSON collection because it's super easy. My OKE is here, created by an official Terraform stack. You can see I have a managed node pool and I have a virtual node pool. Okay. If I go to show you kubectl nodes, you can see that in my managed node pool, I have 2 nodes and I have deployed a fake container batch job on the managed node pool. And you can see that this container is running on a managed node. Okay, very nice. Now, I have developed an AI agent here. And the goal of the AI agent is to detect some virtual node candidates. It means some container running on managed node and that could run easily on virtual node. Okay. To do the evaluation, I used a model on OCI, sure. And this model is just, the name is core here. And you can see that this AI agent running on my laptop, and sure, this AI agent can run on an OKE Serverless too, but it's not the goal of the demo. Today, I want to show you virtual node cycling. Okay. So this agent found a virtual node candidate. This is this container with bad job, and it put a score of 85 compared to 100. So it's a good score to move from the managed node to virtual node. Okay, so let's go to do that. If I click here, okay, I will execute the recommendation of my AI agent. Okay, and you need to understand that for the moment, okay, what will happen when I click on execute? If I go to the labels and taint, you can see here, not a lot of labels and taint. And what will do my AI agent? It will add a label and taint on the virtual pool. Then, doing that, remember, when you update the configuration here of a virtual pool, you don't update virtual pool running. And this is the role of the virtual cycling node in order to replace and to update the virtual pool with the good configuration. After doing that, my agent will modify the deployment of the container batch running on the managed node, okay, in order to use the good toleration, and then you will see that automatically my container will move from the managed node to the virtual node pool. It will be magic, I hope. So let's go. I click on execute recommendation. Okay. So the batch is running. Okay. I have approved the scheduling recommendation. Okay. And now we will see some step to be complete. And for example, first update pool. Okay. So update pool was done. Okay, nice. Now cycling virtual nodes, done. Okay. And rollout, it means now the deployment is modified in order to be more targeted to the virtual pool with the new taint. Okay, running. I can go here on the virtual node pool if I'm doing a refresh, and you can see a refresh. Oh, I have the new label and taints. Very nice. Okay. And now what I'm waiting is the move of the pod, okay, with the batch code here at start running on this managed node. And now, where is it? Okay, maybe. Okay, very nice. You can see that this container with batch job move from the managed node to the virtual node. And that proves that the new label and new taint on the configuration of the virtual node pool was applied during the virtual node cycling. It's really, really magic, and you can see it's very fast. And using this simple way now, you can keep your Kubernetes infrastructure up to date with OKE Serverless. Thank you for your attention.